For most enterprises, negotiating a contract is still a slow, manual process that requires redlining, emailing, meetings, and inefficient collaborative workflows. It all results in frustrating delays when businesses need contracts closed so the real work can begin. What if there was a way to streamline the contracting process to as little as 2 weeks? What if there was a solution that could dramatically accelerate time to contract while reducing your contract risk? ContractAI is an AI-powered SaaS-based solution that improves contract analysis, creation, and negotiation, dramatically accelerating time to contract while reducing your contract risk. It's the only contracting solution built on a proven enterprise-grade AI platform. Enabled by AppOrchid's powerful underlying knowledge graph, ContractAI comprehends contracts because it thinks like procurement. That means less manual work for your team and more insights into potential contracting risk, so you can focus on what's important. How does it work? ContractAI extracts all contract language automatically from PDFs, Word documents, and scanned contracts. Key data extracted is not limited to a few fields. With ContractAI, you can configure extraction of any data found in a contract, such as supplier, payment, and insurance information. ContractAI then recommends supplier clause options based on what you've previously signed and assesses the risk to those clauses. Procurement and legal then vet those options to create win-win contract templates. They can edit clause options, edit risk ratings, and change the points allocated to the specific clause option. Your suppliers are then provided with access to an easy-to-use app that helps them negotiate the terms and conditions of a contract without all the redlining. Suppliers can easily navigate to different sections of the document, add reviewers, and collaborate with their colleagues via secure chat and notes all through the app. Suppliers choose the clause options appropriate for them, understanding the risk and reward consequences based on the assigned point value for each clause. They use their allocated points to select the clause options that are most important to them. If they choose an option that is not your preferred template option, points are deducted from their total points. Once the supplier has reviewed and acknowledged all clauses, a contract is generated and the supplier is directed to electronically sign the contract. Your team then receives the deal summary that grades each supplier in one dashboard. Points used provide an easy way to assess and compare the contracting risk and cost of each supplier. View and compare the changes that suppliers made to the contract and understand the risk level of those changes. Procurement and legal teams are provided with valuable contracting insights at the same time they're evaluating supplier capabilities and pricing. Our state-of-the-art machine learning algorithms capture insights into evolving contracting patterns. You help the system learn your business by adding tag words to clauses, amending risk ratings and scores, and documenting why a risk rating has changed. This way, ContractAI learns and evolves as your business changes. With ContractAI, you get the power of AI to accelerate time to contract by as much as 80%, reduce contracting risk by giving suppliers pre-vetted options instead of redlining, eliminate manual searching by leveraging AI to direct you to high-risk areas and where most efficiencies can be gained, mitigate contracting friction, not only between you and your supplier, but you and your business stakeholders as well. Accelerate time to contract while reducing contracting risk with ContractAI.